What up, what up, what up? It's your girl Raah Vibez here with the dancehall move of the week. Alright, I know you've seen this one. It's called One Drop, aka Trapsetta by SWA Twinz. Let's check it.
Drop. Every gala. Yo, gosh, man. Every gala when I do the one drop. Catch it on the lip and do the one drop. Drop, 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 one drop. Every gala when I do the one drop. Catch it on the right and do the one drop. Drop, 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 one drop.
This move was originally called Trapsetta, but the name was pretty much changed to One Drop after it became popular with this song, One Drop. So, it's all in the hips, alright? What you want to do is lift your right hip or lift your right leg up, but at the hip, okay? So you keep your legs straight and you're using your hip to do all of the work, alright? So if I bend over, I bring it up and I drop it. Bring it up and drop. Drop, 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 drop. Okay? Now, another kind of variation of the move is this little jump and pedaling motion, right? So it's essentially the same thing. You're still using your hips to move your legs. You're just doing it a little faster. And you're pretending almost like you're riding a bike, okay? So when my right hand goes up, my right hip and leg go up. So that's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, okay? So the two variations, let's do this one first. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, left side, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the next variation, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright? Let's try that with the music.
Every gala. Yo, gosh, man. Every gala when I do the one drop. Catch it on the lip and do the one drop. Drop, 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 one drop. Every gala when I do the one drop. Catch it on the right and do the one drop. Drop, 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 drop.
Second variation.
Nothing no wrong if you drop it on me now. But me I want you, it and me yo. Country girl, me say make your body so. But me I beg you please, girl, come and drop it right just up. Bump up inna the ear, yeah. Set like you watch your gear, yeah. Do the one drop, yeah, so you look here. What you telling us a muscle when they drop inna the square.
I hope you caught that one because it's a must know. One Drop, aka Trapsetta by SWA Twinz. Round of applause. Great job, y'all. And remember, practice makes progress. Once again, I'm Raah Vibez. Thanks for tuning in and make sure to subscribe, follow me on social media, and sign up for my newsletter at raahvibez.com for more dance tutorials.